Welcome to Wenzhou Haihang Machinery Company. Our company is located in Wenzhou, and we are a manufacturer specialized in research, development and production of automatic packing machine. Our factory has 40,000 square meters, and we very much welcome new and old customers to visit us. Besides, we have attained ISO 9001, CE certifications and other patent certifications. We highly regard the basic management and stable quality, continuously improving pre-sale services, sales and after-sale services. We warmly welcome customers from both at home and abroad.